Creating Raving Fans means that we take the voice of our customer and listen to it first. We're always listening to what they want and thinking with the lens of what will make their lives better and help them be the best they can be.
Every step of the way, I need to think about the outcome for our customers and the impact and how to fit that into a bigger picture of not only that feature set, but also the best practices in the industry to change the industry, to change our customers' day-to-day life with their work so they can make bigger impact in their environment.
To me, a raving fan is someone that will tell you you're bonkers for considering anything else. They'll proactively go out of their way to promote you in conversation, to just talk about the successes in their business and can give tangible results off the top of their head, because the impact and change that we've created for them is so dramatic that they just decide, I got to tell everyone.
We focus on raving fans, both internally and externally. We care about our customers and our employees and want everyone to be a raving fan of INNERGY.